Would you install this type of flooring in your house? Many people know this type of flooring here as Fuge flooring, and others call it permeable flooring. Hey guys, how are you doing? All good. I'm Ed, the architect, and in this video, I want to bring you this really cool tip about permeable flooring, okay? Many call it Fuge flooring, but it's actually a permeable type. First of all, what is it made of? How do you make this mixture? How does it bond together during application and everything else? It's a mixture of natural stones, you know? I'll even make a basic comparison here. You know those little river stones that we often see in rivers around here? It's basically that kind of stone mixed with a resin that acts like glue, and then you mix it mechanically, maybe with some tool. There are people who, when they're going to make a large amount of this type of flooring, even use a concrete mixer to mix it inside, which is also very good. But basically, it's made up of natural stones and a type of resin. Its application is easier to do compared to other materials, because after you mix it, you spread it with a trowel. And then, you just need to be careful to clean the surface where you are going to apply it. You can apply it both indoors, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and outdoors, at your house. Around the pool, in your garden, in the side corridor, in your backyard. If you want to do something different on a staircase, anyway, you can use it in various places in your house. You can apply it indoors, but I don't see much benefit in doing so. In my view, in my opinion, it works much better outdoors. And think of a product that brings that touch of luxury to your home. This type of draining floor here. And a lot of questions come up when we talk about this kind of material. You imagine putting in a light-colored draining floor, but then it began to stain. You can use that high-pressure washer that cleans it easily. Another recent question I got was, doesn't it keep releasing those little stones after we apply it and everything? No, it doesn't. This glue, this resin, is a specific resin for making the mixture, bonding these stones, and then also bonding them to your floor. You can apply it on top of an old floor, old porcelain tiles, old ceramic tiles, or directly on your subfloor. You can simply just make the mixture and start the application. And then it really depends on your creativity to use this type of material, this type of flooring, which we know as Fuge flooring, or draining flooring. To decorate your house, as I mentioned, there are many colors, so use your imagination. To decorate the outside of your house, but you usually find it in this kind of house or store. You know that store that sells those stones for you to put around the pool? You know those common stones we see around? Usually it's at this place that sells them too. But, to sum it up for you, it's a very good type of material, easy to apply, decorative resistant because it's natural stone, easy to use, and decorative. You can decorate your house externally with this type of material. So, that was the tip I wanted to share with you in this video. About Fuge flooring, some people know it and others call it what is actually the correct name, which is permeable flooring. And leave your comment here. Would you use it in your house? A hug, and see you in the next video.